For households equipped with Ring doorbells or other Ring video camera products, please take some time to review new features Ring recently rolled out. A camera preview feature. See recent snapshots from all your Ring cameras when you open the Ring app. An event history timeline feature. Now all your camera events can be quickly viewed just by scrolling back in time. Ring users, you will have to enable them in order to take advantage of them. Please look into them as we are certain you'll like them. For homes that do not have a Ring product but have considered one, message Evolution Installs. We are an authorized dealer and installer for Ring product and have been since its first doorbell was offered to installers. Visit www.evolutioninstalls.com for more information or call us at 708-444-8474 today. For real-time crime and safety alerts in your area, download the Neighbors app. Find the link included with this video.